Alright guys, so I got the tank actually bolted down and the fuel pump moved over from the other tank, and that was a beast. It does have a weird pivot point where it'll like break loose and come out. I didn't even video that because I'm definitely not an expert on how to take those out. I will try to find a video and link it below though, of the best one I can find, because that is not fun. It mainly just takes a lot of just finagling, I don't know, figuring out how to make it come out. So, but it's in here. I just tried it, it came on. I'm gonna put a little gas in and see if this thing will fire up. All right guys, yesterday got the tank on, was gonna try to fire everything up, and gas started spraying out of these nozzles. And there's two on this one because this is for an ultra classic with reserve for an older one. I also realized that this is a 2000 model tank. Even though everything fits, everything bolts up, fuel pump bolts in, then valves are different. They're different sizes. This is the original one. This is that 2000 model tank. So those are different, but it looks like the fitting is the same, except for there was still gas spraying out of this fitting. And the O-ring in here, it's really hard to see, but the O-ring, he says a chunk missing out of it right there, so there's no way that's sealing. So next thing to do is see if I can swap out these O-rings and then run the line back up, put it all back together, try again, see if we got gas spraying everywhere. All right guys, so I've got one of those replaced, the one that's at that upper ring, and then down in there, I've got another one. We had that one O-ring in one of the packs, but this is a O-ring we had to go. We went to True Value and found an O-ring here, so. Okay, we're gonna try again. Got some gas in there, no leaks. Turn the switch on. Fuel pressure is built up. Pump ran. Fuel pump ran again. I don't want to run, so it's probably already high enough. Yep, so let's try it. Like the cylinders were full of gas, didn't it?
Alright guys, make sure you check out the website. We've added thousands and thousands of awesome motorcycle parts. We've got apparel on there. We've got extended front forks, fenders, frames, anything you can think of. Check it out.
Time to get out and play. AMSOIL delivers the ultimate protection for your vehicles and equipment. Fast, free shipping right to your door. Spend $100 and shipping is on us. Order now at AMSOIL.com.